What is up, y'all? So this fresh Mexican food, it just says restaurant. It's right at the end of Wallport, like literally the last building. And this morning, we've been doing really good just buying food from the market, cooking it at home in the hotel. And I got eggs Benedict. They had prawns, crab, all of that in this. But I got ham because I didn't really feel like any fresh fruit. Or fish today. I felt like cream. I felt like, you cold, baby? All right. Give this engine a break. Just 13 hours tonight. Just got off shift. Anyways, I wanted to enjoy a little comfort food today. I'll probably try one of these whole eggs and maybe a bite of the hash browns. The dogs get the sausages. And then we'll have some for lunch when I wake up from sleep. So I don't like Mexican mayonnaise. Last few times I bought it, I forget that I don't know why it tastes like that. I taste lemon and cream cheese too. This time it's not too bad. But it's just not what I'm expecting. So let's dig in. Alright. Oh shoot, I've already pierced the thing. Alright. Come. That's pretty good. I like eggs Benedict. Not healthy for you. Not one bit. But you know what? We're doing good. We're down 60 pounds because of our good choices. Why not celebrate with some bad choices? Right? One more night on this job. A total of 12 days on this job. And then we moved to Snoqualmie in Washington. Stream job up there. 4 days, 5 days. For me, 6 days. Because I get there a day ahead of everybody to watch the aircraft, to watch the stuff. And then when we leave, I stay to make sure the aircraft's leaving back to the shop. And then I can be free to go home. So I'm tied to that aircraft. That's my job. I can't cut it. That I can't cut the thing. The bagel. That sauce is so good though. Let's do this, guys. Sorry, I'm gonna be a pig. I'm not gonna be a pig. I'm not gonna do that. I don't like the way that feels. Let's try this. Not gonna be a pig proceeds to stuff the whole English muffin in half in his mouth. One of the things I've noticed with this bariatric surgery is it takes some getting used to for your body to be comfortable with what you're swallowing. Because the morphology of your insides have changed completely. For real. So, Your body changes because it has to learn how to adapt to that morphology. I've lost hair because your body stops worrying about your hair. It stops worrying about putting energy towards growing your hair. It starts focusing on your digestive and what the heck is going on in there. It's like, whoa, what is this? You went from A to Z. You skipped A, B, C, D, E. You know. And my hair finally stopped coming out, which is good. I've had all the good responses to this. Man, that ham with that Benedict sauce, it's good. This is what I'm drinking today. All right, Lily. Lily, come. Lily, come here. Take a bite. She wants the whole thing. Can you take a bite? He's like, Dad, this is not a game we normally play. I know, but everybody wants to see you eat. I wish it was crunchy. All right, buddy. Come here. Come here, buddy. Get back there, honey. Buddy, come on. Buddy's a lot more pickier as far as, like, he wants it cut up and he wants it. Buddy. Buddy, come here, honey. Come on. Buddy, you're a pain in my butt. Come here. Buddy, come here. Get this. Here, I'll put it right there. And you leave grease all in my truck. Man, I'm stressed out with this dog. Alright. Come on. Forget it. Not you, Lily. Buddy, get up there. Buddy, get up there. Up. So, I don't know what I'm going to get, guys. Me and Melissa... Oh, dang. This whole thing is... We're selling our house. Jeez, man. People are so angry. Oh, my gosh. Where are we going? We're on the coast. Anyways. People really... That aggressiveness, it's not about it becomes a pride issue. It becomes a pride issue. I feel like you go in through your life and you go through all these negative things and you get bitter, and everything in your life, I speak from experience, starts to become winning. Pride, and then by the time you're older, 43, everything's tit for tat. Like, there's the buildup was your whole life, and this older woman, there's this family in this little RV. I'm sure they maybe didn't do something fast enough, but she starts honking her horn and tries to get around these guys before they hit the open road. I don't know. Whatever. I don't even know why I'm wasting my time. Oh, there's a little piece of watermelon up in this mouth. You know what I'm saying? Oh, no. Anyways, I'm talking about stuff's not even my business. This is where my life is, right here. Not out there. You know what I'm saying? I mean, the juice is good, but I got a quandary. Has anyone, I know you ate that, has anyone dealt with, I am a fruit ferocious fruit eater. I have been looking for my oranges, my cuties, my mandarins, my regular oranges. And I swear, the last 6 or 7 batches that I've tried to get have all been sour. And I've noticed that it happens, and it's time to move on to the next fruit that's in season, because they go out of season, and whatever's remaining is inevitably going to be bad, because, you know, obviously there's nothing new growing, because that fruit for the season has run its course. And I keep on trying with these oranges, and it's not working. Like, I just ate this. It was so juicy, but it was no sweetness. Watermelon is a beauty of mine. All right. We're eating just because it's good, not because we need to. Come here. Buddy, you gonna be a good boy? Buddy, you stress me out. Here. Oh, God, this dog. All right, stop it, Michael. Stop. I want to keep going. All right, well, OCD, so I'm going to transfer the last bit of this into this cute little package, right? Because isn't that what one would do? Because it's just like a nice little meal for when I wake up. Oh, look at that mug. Oh, wow. You're going to eat the thing when you wake up from your nap. You're going to eat the thing when you wake up from his nap. All right. Enough antics. I only get to put a portion of this to all my people that I love and that value my videos and my silliness and my personality, because life's short and we all look for some sort of acceptance with people in our life. And I have a very big issue with look at me. Look what I'm doing. Look how cool I am. And I don't know why. I think it's just anybody who knows me, especially those people who've been Chief Joseph, Ockley Green, know that I have just been an attention guy from the go. And I love it. It's what I live for. I love the way it feels. Not necessarily why. We don't want to get into that. I don't know why, but I'm sure it's deep-seated in some sort of mommy issue or some daddy issue. I don't know. But anyways, that cream cheese sour cream. Cream cheese sour cream. Oh, Lily, you want this? You want to try some sour cream? Well, you got something going on. Come here. We got some trailer park drama. There's a little bit of trailer park behind. Come here. Come on, let's show everybody how you lick it up. Come here. Come on. Come here. Lily, get your butt up here right now. Come on. Up all the way. Here, you want this? Ooh. Oh, yeah. Come on. Get up here. There we go. All right. I don't know if you need much more than that. It was a nice treat. I feel like dairy's okay, but you don't need a whole thing with sour cream. Oh, God. All right. Hey, get it. No. Here. You let Daddy wipe your mouth. Lily just turned 5. Lily, you just turned 5. I cannot believe it. She was with me when I was an alcoholic. A little salt and pepper. And Mom was still alive. She was upstairs, and Mom would tell me, hey, why don't you come and watch a movie with me? And I was drinking. I was in my drowning of my pain and sorrow because I had turned my body from an athlete into a bathlete. So I was sad. So I drank it. I drank my pain. And the more I drank, the sadder I get, because the further away from what I really wanted to be was happening. And I continued to drink, continued to sit, continued to this, continued to that. And guess what? I got sleep apnea so bad I almost died. And I've been battling the repercussions of that for the last 4 years. And Lily used to go upstairs with Mom and hang out. And then she'd come back down and check on me. And she'd go back upstairs. And then she'd run back down to check on me. And then, 10, 11 o'clock at night, then she'd come, end the night with me. But now I'm full-vested daddy doggy dad. And my life revolves around the comfort of these guys. And the health of mine. The health of mine. So that's a wrap, guys. We're going to sleep. And then we're going to do a 3-mile walk. Because yesterday was an amazing walk. Right through the woods. And we got lost. And it was a blast. Up over hills. Getting that heart rate up. It's about 109. 118 actually. For a second there, got up to 118. I went from a resting heart rate of 114, blood pressure 175 over 139, to blood pressure 116 over 56, or 62, to a resting heart rate of 58 to 62. When I was in shape and I was running 8-minute miles, just 2017, I was doing that 4 or 5 times a week. My heart rate was down to 53, 54. And they'd be concerned, they're like, beep, beep, beep. And I was like, what is that? They were like, do you exercise? I'm like, yeah. So the smaller I get, the more my body's kind of moving back into what it was, which is a smaller heart rate. I have a big old heart, so it functions very, very well, which complements my ability to overcome these issues. It's helped facilitate my recovery, as well as a good kidney. Your kidney is so important when it comes to heart, because they work hand in hand. It filtrates all the garbage out of your heart, but it also pumps all that water out that your heart needs to get rid of. 50% of your water in their heart every pump. Systole and distole is what it is. Systolic and dystolic is the pumping and the release. And systole and distole, I believe it is. Well, when it gets overloaded, it gets weak and flabby, like a balloon that's been blown up. Once it gets larger, then it gets kind of wobbly and weak, and it can't hold that good pump. Well, mine, for a second there, got stiff, and it couldn't distol, it couldn't open up or express, it couldn't pump and out very well. it brought it in okay, but it couldn't pump it out. Very good. So now we're back to normal. We even got a 70% ejection fraction. We started out with 66, stayed at 60, and now we're at 70. You know, it's funny, I was reading as a mean number, an average number throughout the collective, the average left ventricle issue will repair itself within 3 years. This is you have to be eligible pretty much for some reversal of your heart issues, catching it soon, being younger. I'm 43. I was 39 when we caught this. You know, but anyways, my point was I had a very severely dilated left ventricle and hypertrophy of the left ventricle. And almost on the dot, January, February. January was 3 years. My left ventricle was back to normal. I still have the LVH. I'm not sure I want to see what it is after the 60-pound weight loss. We'll find out in December, and by that time I'll probably lose another 30-40 pounds. And my goal weight is about 160, 150. Because I'm older now, and I have a lot of muscle. Like, I thought I was going to be mostly fat, but we did the scan, and I have so much muscle. And losing the 60 pounds, I haven't lost any muscle. She said it's very rare. And of course, I'm like, damn right it is. You know what I mean? Let it get to my head, but I thought it was pretty neat. I was thinking in my head privately, well, I'm a superhero, so this is to be expected. But I've always had a very dense muscle mass. And the thing is, I'm eating about 140 grams of protein a day. Limited carbs. So all the walking, carrying this heavy body at such a short height is like weightlifting. But I have a feeling that eventually, here shortly, I'm going to have some muscle loss. If not, that's just even cooler. I'm sure I had a couple of points that I steered away from because that's just the way I am. But I want to see what the heart is now. We'll have December. December will be it. I'm having a hard time with this, but we have to kind of embrace aging in its stages because I can't change it. And I'm not going to be depressed, wanting to be something different while I have a chance to enjoy what is. I can't. I spent 2.5 years morbidly depressed about my diagnosis of heart issues. And my anxiety was accentuating my depression. And it was causing issues. Let me tell you, I was having these crazy symptoms, and I went and had an echo, and they're like, your heart's great. Symptoms went away. How much of it is in your mind? There might be some initial physical symptoms, but let me tell you what, the mind creates so much within the body. There's a connection there. If you can find the sensitivity where yours lie, you're up on top of the battle. Sometimes I have anxiety that feels like it's out of my control. But there's always an underlying issue. Me, it's worrying about something that I didn't do that I need to take care of. Sometimes I'll worry about something and I'll forget about it. And I'll be like, what was I worrying about? What was I worrying? I know there was something I was worrying about. I have to try. I try to pick it up again. And then I finally remember, I'm like, okay, that wasn't that bad. And I'm like, you have turned in, with this whole heart stuff, has turned me into quite I've never had anxiety in my life until this. I was told that I might die. They told me I was going to die in 3 years. Well, come 3 years, and they can't find nothing. They even kicked me off the heart team and says, you don't need us anymore. I'm like, let's not take it too hasty, because my heart's doing a bunch of stuff that I don't like. Well, you're 100 and something, 200 pounds overweight, so anyways, that's my little morning Eggs Benedict spiel. Love to love you.